two reasons why women decide to divorce more easy than men. The first one is that we women are not being taught how to choose the right partner. Society teaches us that men are strong, they're the fixers, they're the doers, they solve problems. But men also have problems of their own they don't know how to solve. They have issues, they have emotions, they have feelings. And nobody teaches you as a woman how to deal with that. We watch all these rom-com movies where men go through hell and back to win over a woman, to then marry her and live happily ever after. So our brains are filled with romantic fantasies about men. So women get married with a false set of expectations. The second reason why women file more easily for divorce than men is because women don't have this feeling of the responsibility of the relationship. A man knows very well once he gets married, he takes on the responsibility of the safety and the well-being of his wife. But a married woman, once she becomes a mom, her priority will be the safety and the well-being of her children. How to talk to a man about problems. If you start the conversation with your man and you tell him, honey, we need to talk, girl, it's never gonna work. He would rather avoid talking to you about any problem because very often he doesn't even understand what the problem is. Be smarter and do the following. Go on a long walk with him. The good thing is that while you're walking, you don't have to have any eye contact with him. And that makes him immediately feel freer to actually talk to you. Because when you're sitting across the table while you're talking to him, or you're actually looking at him, he immediately feels threatened by you. But when a man does an activity like walking outside and it's together with you, he doesn't feel any threat. And the second thing you can do, you go on a nice weekend trip together. Book a little hotel somewhere. And at night you stay in the room and you order room service. And the steps are the following. First you make love and then you start your conversation. The good thing is that now he's completely relaxed and he is in a foreign environment. He's also caught by surprise and that will make it much easier for you to talk to him. And you promise yourself that you're not going to leave that room until the problem is solved. There's two reasons why it's easy for a man to walk away from a relationship. The first reason, and the most dangerous one, is when a man is in a relationship in which he actually feels satisfied. A man does not want to feel safe in a relationship. Safety equals boredom for him. It's actually healthy if a man feels that he needs to work a little bit to earn a woman's love. That's why men whose testosterone levels are high are actually very useful. Because it's the high testosterone level that drives men to pursue women and to do things for them. So if you want your man not to be completely satisfied, you have to keep him a little bit on his toes. And that means that even if you're in a serious relationship, you're never going to tell him everything about you. When you as a woman keep changing because you keep reinventing yourself, then your man will never be completely satisfied because he will always feel that there's still something more to discover about you. And if you want his testosterone levels to go up, he will have to miss you. You have to every now and then physically remove yourself from this relationship. Go visit your parents. Go on a girls' trip. Haven't you noticed that every time you don't see each other for 2-3 days, things in the bedroom are more heated? The second reason why a man easily walks away from a relationship is when there's not much to lose. Never forget that a man bonds with a woman through things that are actually difficult for him to do. And therefore a man will only feel the feeling of loss when he has invested his hard-earned money, his time and his energy in this relationship. But if he just fell into this relationship and along the way there was absolutely no sacrifice being made by him for this woman, then he doesn't have anything to lose when he walks out the door. And the problem with men who are either satisfied or they have not invested anything in this relationship is that they believe that where they are going, it's better than being with you. And that's what I want you to remember when you start to miss him. Because the truth is, if he never saw your value while he was with you, then he was never going to see it.